bit.
Ja,
Oh,
that's a yellow.
It's
It's not even a cop. Shit.
Yeah, I got that on video as well. I switched my camera on down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, majority of my fish were maybe about that size.
Oh, good.
So they weren't bad fish either.
But they're not strong today. Check out this fish.
That's weird, eh?
Kiki.
Pop.
It's pop.
They were pop. Oh, that's a mooi.
Yeah. Ja, it's a lucky ene, joh.
Mouth there.
I'll get him there. No cry.
Did he slick it?
Nah,
No.
nah, luckily not.
Yes, those ones this morning, like I said, they weren't even like taking it hard, but flipping out, they slicked the fuck out of those two.
So I thought there was a cop sticking out his back to the gele.
Hey, even when you hooked him, it looked like a car.
Yeah.
I don't know when he turned down, he was like, oh shit.
Yo, no stamp. Oh, it's off.
That's fine, you basically landed.
Yeah, that's better. Extra.